And we are in front of the new Clever Tour 540 for the 2025 edition with the actual pop-up roof. And we are looking in the actual spec sheet with the final price of 67,033 for this model. And these are the dimensions that you can pause if you want to check more. And as we know from all Clever vans, they have some pretty great and clever solutions inside. We shall be checking for that bathroom. The entrance is pretty narrow. Well, maximizing the space, getting this fridge from Dometic on the front part, but the actual space is pretty narrow if you want to enter. And actually I will be measuring from side to side is just 48 centimeters, slightly less if you're measuring from this part right here. It's about 46 centimeters. But entering inside, we are looking at the new Citroën based chassis and actual Fiat Ducato complete styling. These are just some upholstery on top of the actual standard seating. We have this upper part to the left, and then the standard one cabinet side for all your belongings. This great looking table with slide out and a wide sitting comfy area, even if this campervan is just 5.40. And from this side we have the Dometic 2-burner stove with pretty good sink, and on the upper part we have one big deep cabinet, and from this part we have one slide open out cabinet for your kitchenware, and then three additional cabinets from this part, so this will be pretty good for all your belongings. That's actually pretty deep. And then we have this small actual shower unit with drop down sink when you need it, when not just putting it back. And then you can actually push this side, and then you get much more space to get a shower, or if you don't want to shower, you can get this part put right there, and then you will have an additional bedding, an actual part that you can use for sleeping. And actually this bed is now pretty wider, and you can still use the toilet. Let's measure this bed from this side when we have the complete section right up here. So on the longest part we are looking at about 1.919, and from this part we are looking to the door about, oh, we get an error, 1.4, and also we get 1.4 from this side because now we have the actual bed made. And then if you want more space to take a shower, you just push that back and then you can take a shower. It's not the biggest market, actually pretty decent sized, and a lot of cabinets on the upper part. And exiting out, we are checking the pop-up roof bed, the standard dimensions 200 per 138 almost, with an open top from that side. Exiting out and getting on the back, we are still looking at a fairly decent amount of size for your actual longest part 1.2 and the widest part 0.98. And from this part we are looking at the storage for 2 gas bottles with vents to the outside. Nice looking van with 4 cabinets that they are pretty deep, with lighting touch controlled. Not bad, and actually pretty good. If you cram a little, you can sleep 4 people inside. Ideally 2 people and 2 kids. But actually for this price, the CamperVan 540 is an excellent solution. And we are looking slightly again going off.